In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Chrome browsing data and then view or download a billing cycle statement. If a page is not loading correctly, or if account information is not updating the way it should, clearing certain browsing data in Chrome can often help. This removes stored files and site data that may be causing the issue, while giving the website a fresh chance to load properly. To begin, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots that open Chrome's main menu. Go ahead and click those dots to open the drop-down list of options. From that menu, select Delete Browsing Data. This will open a settings window where Chrome allows you to remove saved browsing information. You do not need to clear everything here. Instead, focus only on the items needed for this process. Make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Cookies store site-related information such as session data, while cached images and files are temporary files saved by the browser to help pages load faster. Over time, those files can become outdated or interfere with how a website displays or functions, which is why clearing them can be useful when troubleshooting. Once those two options are selected, click Delete Data. Depending on how much information Chrome has stored, this may take a few seconds. After the deletion is complete, return to the Home Depot page and reload it. Refreshing the page after clearing this data is important because it forces the browser to request the newest version of the website instead of relying on older saved files. After the page reloads successfully, locate the billing cycle statement you want to access. Select the specific statement you'd like to view or download. Be sure to choose the correct billing cycle so you're opening the exact document you need. If you are downloading it, it can be helpful to save it somewhere easy to find, such as your downloads folder or another organized location on your device. That's it. By clearing cookies and cached files first, then reloading the page before selecting your billing cycle statement, you can help ensure the site works more smoothly and that the document opens correctly.